Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Salma Alifa and now I will explain about characteristic of young learners and how they learn. In here, 8 characteristics of young learners. The first is kinesthetic learners. The second is can stay still too long. The third is spontaneous. The fourth is easily distraction. The fifth is short attention. The sixth is imaginative. The seventh is curiosity, and the last is need for play. Okay, the first is kinesthetic learners. Young learners like to move around and use their body to help them learn. They enjoy activities where they can physically do something like running, jumping, or using their hands to build or create. Like kinesthetic learners, if child might learn better if they are able to use blocks to build shapes instead of just looking at pictures. And the second is can stay still too long. They find it hard to sit still for a long time. They need breaks or activities that let them move around to stay focused and engaged in learning. Like if you are teaching lessons, it's good to include some fun activities where they can jump or walk around, like games or singing together. The next is spontaneous. Young learners are often very quick to act without thinking too much. They might jump into activities or try new things without planning, which shows their natural energy and excitement. Like in class, a child might get excited and wanting to share something about their pets, even though it's not part of the lesson in the classroom. And the next is easily distracted. Young learners easy for to lose focus because they are curious and notice everything around them. A noise, a colorful object, or a new idea can easily grab their attention away from what they supposed to be doing. Like if a toy and table, they might focus on that instead of the lessons. And teacher often need to make sure the classroom is focused on learning and has minimal distraction. And the next is short attention. Young learners can only focus on one thing for a short time. They might get bored quickly or need a change of activity to keep them interested. Like the teacher must be start time in 10 minutes and followed by a hands-on activity to keep their interest. And the next is imaginative. Their minds are full of creativity and ideas. They can imagine fantastic worlds, pretend to be different characters, and come up with unique solutions to problems. Like they might pretend they're astronauts flying in space while playing or telling stories about animals to talk to students. And the next is curiosity. Young learners are naturally curious about the world around them. They ask lots of questions, want to know how things work, and love to explore new things to satisfying their curiosity. Like if they see a plant grow, they might ask to teacher how it grows or why it needs sunlight. Uh, this curiosity drives them to explore and learn new things. And the last is need for play. Play is important for young learners because it's how they learn best. Like play, experiments, practice new skill, and understand the world in a fun and relaxed way. Like they might learn numbers on and counting by playing with toys or games instead of just memorizing to them from a book. Okay, that's an explanation about characteristic of young learners. And the last part is conclusion. Young learners, especially kinesthetic ones, learn best when they can move around and engage in hands-on activities. They have short attention spans and get easily distracted, so they stay focused when learning is fun, interactive, and creative. These learners love to explore and use their imagination, and they need plenty of play and movement to stay engaged. To help them, educators should create flexible and active learning environments that keep them curious and make learning feel like exciting adventures. That's all explanation about characteristic of young learners from me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.